A fortune of hundreds of billions of dollars will be created for early investors. These AI investments could truly make you a millionaire by 2026. Imagine turning an initial $20,000 stake into $1 million in just 3 short years. This is not science fiction. This is happening now. The first big area is AI infrastructure. Think about the companies building the actual backbone. They make the specialized chips. Graphics processing units, or GPUs, are critical for deep learning. The demand for these units grew over 150% last year alone. One company saw its stock price climb over 200% in 12 months. Data centers powered by AI will need massive expansion. Billions of dollars are being poured into these physical hubs. Nearly 50 new AI-focused data centers are planned globally. The global AI chip market might reach $150 billion by 2026. One prominent generative AI firm recently secured $10 billion in fresh funding. Another leading developer unveiled a new model boasting 250 billion parameters. These are the systems that run all the clever AI applications. Large language models, or LLMs, are just the start. Generative AI tools are exploding. One company producing these tools saw user growth of over 1,000% in 6 months. Their valuation soared from $200 million to $2 billion very quickly. Businesses need these platforms for efficiency gains. They save them many thousands of work hours annually. More than 70% of large enterprises plan to integrate generative AI tools by 2025. Expect the AI software market to hit $400 billion by 2028. This sector offers diverse entry points, from natural language processing to computer vision. Investing in the core technology enablers is smart. A $10,000 investment today might become $100,000 later. Next up is AI in healthcare and biotech. This area changes everything for medicine. AI helps discover new drugs much faster. It predicts patient responses to treatments. One AI platform reduced drug discovery time by 30%. This saved millions of research dollars. Diagnostics are also getting a huge boost. AI can detect diseases like cancer earlier. Its accuracy is over 95% in some cases. Over 200 new AI medical devices have been approved in the past 2 years. The medical AI market is projected to grow by over 40% each year. It could exceed $50 billion by 2025. Companies specializing in personalized medicine with AI are booming. A $1,000 investment in a key biotech firm could become $10,000. That's a huge return. Number 4 is AI in robotics and automation. Factories are changing rapidly. Smart robots powered by AI perform complex tasks. They work with incredible precision. One manufacturing plant increased its output by 20% using AI robots. Costs were cut by 15%. Autonomous systems are also a massive field. Self-driving vehicles and drones are just the beginning. Delivery services using AI robots are already operational in several cities. Over 5,000 AI-powered robots were deployed in logistics last year. The global robotics market might reach $80 billion by 2030. AI is the brain of these machines. Investing here means owning a piece of the future workforce. Some firms in this space have doubled their market cap in 2 years. Their revenue grew over 70% annually. Finally, consider AI in cybersecurity. Threats are constantly evolving and more complex. AI offers crucial protection. It detects new cyber threats instantly. Traditional systems struggle with this speed. One AI security firm stopped over 500 million cyber attacks last year. Their solution reduced data breaches by 80% for clients. Fraud prevention is another key application. AI spots suspicious transactions in milliseconds. This saves financial institutions billions of dollars annually. The cybersecurity market overall will reach $400 billion by 2027. AI-driven solutions are the fastest growing segment. Its compound annual growth rate is over 20%. Security breaches cost companies on average $5 million. Investing in AI that prevents these losses is very smart. Many companies are scrambling to adopt these advanced tools. Their stock prices reflect this urgent need. An initial investment of $5,000 could easily become $50,000. It all depends on choosing the right innovators. This future is closer than you think. These five areas show immense potential for significant wealth creation by 2026. You really need to look at these opportunities now.